Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video, you will see my current skincare routine. These are the products that I use on everyday basis. I use them both in the morning and night. So let's begin. The first and foremost is the face wash. I have oily skin and this is the only face wash that I'm satisfied with. This is the Patanjali Activated Carbon Face Wash. It is grey in color and slightly creamy in texture. Not too much but slightly creamy. It foams up very nicely and takes away the everyday dirt. It sucks the oil and keeps the skin fresh looking. The second step is the toner. For this I use the Plum green tea toner. This is a paraben-free, alcohol-free toner and it is suitable for oily, acne-prone skin. You will not need a lot of product for oily skin. I just take only a little bit. I rub it between my palm and press it against my skin. I tap the product on my face, giving special attention to T-zone, forehead, nose and chin areas, where they are more prone to whiteheads and blackheads and pores. After using the toner, I realized there's a huge difference on my blackheads. They all didn't pop off after using this regularly. The next step is the serum. There are a lot of serums available for dry skin, but only a few serums will suit oily skin types. I don't like serums that make me dull, oily and lifeless. So I created this DIY face serum with glycerin, rose water and aloe vera gel. This is very soothing and hydrating. I love this step. It keeps my skin free from acne, pimples and other problematic issues. It keeps the skin glowing. The next step is the moisturizer. It is again from the Plum range. It is the green tea mattifying moisturizer for oily, acne-prone skin. I have been using all of these products for more than 5 months and I haven't got any severe acne or pimple breakouts. I think it is because of this skincare routine. This is a very good moisturizer from a reputed brand. Again, you will not need a lot of product. Just one pump or even half a pump is enough for my entire face. So with this I finish my morning skincare routine. Before I sleep, I repeat the same steps again, plus my eye serum and a lip balm. For the eye serum, I use this coffee oil. This is a DIY coffee oil for under eye area. It is actually an oil than a serum. Again, I love this product. It has coffee, which is very soothing and relaxing at night. It decreases my dark circles within a short span of time. It helps in preventing fine lines, wrinkles and even dark circles around the eyes. It also has the benefits of castor oil in it. The last step I do before sleep is applying a lip balm. I have a very dry and chapped lips. I had been using the Nivea lip balm with that black cap for over 5 years and I got addicted to it so much so that my lips won't react if I apply different lip balm. So I thought it's a time to change my lip balm even though it is a difficult process. I use this Body Herbal's Blueberry Lip Balm. I have a pack of 5 lip balms from Body Herbals and only this one seemed to work on my very dry and chapped lips. Initially it also didn't work due to my Nivea lip balm addiction, and then it started slowly working on my lips. I have tried every lip balm available in the market, but this one from Vadi Herbal seems to give the deep moisturizer rather than giving you that feel of moisture and not actually deeply moisturizing your lips. So with this I finished my everyday skincare routine. These are the things that I use on everyday basis, and these are the things that made a major change to my skin and skin's health. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.